Today, folks, we have an amazing success story of a family whose business is located in Apple Valley right outside of St. George, Utah. This amazing couple literally went from being homeless, living in a tent with a child, to owning not only this beautiful tiny home park, but also owning the business that manufactures all these homes at an amazingly young age. It's an American success story, and I really think you're going to enjoy seeing what they have done. Well, we decided to pull over because we saw a little community of tiny homes, and we're always interested in things like that. So check this out. What a neat little community. So Zion Tiny Homes builds these, and they've got a whole neighborhood where they're putting them in, and right now they're renting them out on a nightly basis. So this is kind of like a Airbnb or a hotel stop. He's going to show us this one, I believe, so we get a chance to look inside. So we're waiting on a guy to show up here. But man, look, they have decks.
Red and black.
That's probably him on the skateboard.
So I'm not sure if this one or that one.
So hang on, folks. This should be pretty cool. I really like this with the deck on top.
Do you own this or you just rented it?
Some of the tiny homes that owned by...
We got angel lending. We was really wanted.
We have the land for it.
Turn around.
Oh man,
Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
it smells brand new.
Oh my gosh. This is
Honey, you look good in the kitchen there.
really, I like it.
So, how many square feet is this?
It's like around 300.
It's got 2 bedrooms?
So there's 2 queen lofts queen bedrooms over here, and then there's a king bedroom right here.
Would you mind?
Can I go up and look?
Yeah, can I look?
Go ahead, honey.
We build them in St. George at Zion's Tiny Homes.
Oh my god, look like camping. That's good. Hi.
And I think your price per night is really good.
Yeah, this one's a little more. It's around 180 a night.
And they
Okay.
got the one-
But it'll take a whole family.
Yep.
And you use those individual climate control units. And great skylight. Oh, I see. You even got them separated.
So how much you rent for a night?
This one's about 180 a night.
180 night?
And it's got a skylight.
I mean, that's really cool. Next time we come over here, just rent one.
You know, you've done a great job on the color schemes, and it's just really amazingly nicely done. The color coordination, the art.
Doesn't feel small, does it?
It doesn't. Is it your family that has the company?
No, me and my wife own it.
Oh, the Tiny Homes Company?
We own both of them. Me and my wife are pretty ambitious, so she's 26 and I'm 33, and we started it all 5 years ago.
Oh, wonderful.
That's really cool.
Hi, I'm Jared. This is, we're in Apple Valley at my business, Zion's Tiny Getaway. And right now we're in the Angel's Landing Tiny Home. You guys can check out all of our different tiny homes on zionstinygetaway.com. Come check it out. So this is the kitchen areas right over here. We got a little mini fridge, a little microwave, and this is the living room right here. There's 2 lofts, so you can bring your whole family. It sleeps 6. Actually, I think it sleeps more because this goes down. So there's a king bed over here, up this loft, and then there's 2 queen bedrooms, or a loft for the 2 queen beds on this side. And there's a beautiful little bathroom back here. Nice. It's actually a really nice size. You can kind of tidy up and get ready for the day in here. And then there's a bathroom. There's a nice big shower back here with a rain shower head. We have over a dozen different models and lots you can check out. So feel free to look up our website or follow us on Meet the McGregors on YouTube.
It was so refreshing and inspirational to see what Jared and Autumn had built. Truly an American success story. This is one of the reasons we do what we do when we get on the road. Just a random turnoff from the highway can lead to an amazing adventure. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we will see you next time on the road.